RTI activist Disparsing RANI, in a press conference held on Thursday, brought to the notice of the public the various vacant positions in government departments in the state. While listing the number of vacancies in most state government departments through RTI reports received, Disparsing RANI informed that in total there are 1,708 posts that are yet to be filled up in departments, some of which are the PWD, the PHE, Health, Education and others, while there are other department vacancies whose RTI reports are awaited. RANI also informed that currently about 119 vacant positions in the Meghalaya Secretariat have been advertised and applications have been called for. He added that as security to government employees, a credential list which contains all employee details should there be illegal termination or promotion of current staff of the government had also been received as per recent RTI filed by him.
The Habakenya total jing like post bro hoy kapoi khat news pa pra post khat news pa pra post namun kong water resources department kalai chispa pra polai teli kabar ka directorate of statistics kalai chispa lai polai teli kabalai ka directorate of horticulture kalai lai polai teli directorate of agriculture lai san teli nanda kasoi and water conservation kalai aspa ar phunrutli mo kasoi and water conservation aspa ar phunrutli nanta ka directorate of commerce and industries kalai jadu chispa khalai tli ka directorate jong printing and stationery kalai jadu chispa sau phupratli nanta po directorate of sport kalai tang lai phutli sport kalai phutli nanta personal department hapo sekretariat meminta mencuam 4 yo report teki aim tadien personal department ke balabat hidau chief minister jungi kadon kijing theli ke pus nam tau joint secretary khatwei teli deputy secretary lai teli hapo personal department nanta Meghalaya state rural livelihood society kalai ke pus hadu khandai pho teli nanta health department kalai ke pus hadu sanspa sa phnyu teli babuan ki 4 ngapat yo report kumga is kesehil ngam 4 yo report but kiwe department kum spo jowe ngapalisim report chatura ro palisim nanta forest department kalai ke pus hadu khandai phnyu teli ka plurudi kalai ke pus tang khat khandai teli ka education kalai ke pus dagyo ta khandia report tang ar phnyu teli nanta ka directorate of community kalai ke pus khan teli tiga total ke pus hadu mentai ni department banglayo agar report kalau me khan news pa prapus